Today we're going to be making some pork chops with a blueberry vinegar sauce using the Real Salt brine kit. Brine those chops overnight, then get them ready for the next day by pulling them out of the brine and covering the tops with a good layer of Dijon mustard, about half a tablespoon or so. Then you're going to heat up some olive oil in your skillet. While that's warming up, go ahead and throw your sauce together by adding balsamic vinegar and blueberries to a saucepan over medium heat. Just let that simmer until it's nice and thick. Once your skillet is hot, throw the chops in, mustard side down, and brush the other side with some more Dijon. The mustard gives a really nice crust to the chops and pairs well with the sauce we've made. To serve the chops, I've cooked up some broccoli and then we're going to spoon a good amount of the blueberry sauce over everything.